Hi, today my tutorial is on Excel and I'm going to teach you something very interesting, which is the calculation aspect of the Excel, and you will like it at the end of this. Take your time and watch the video and you are going to get something meaningful out of it. Let's start. Let us assume that this table has been given to you as the IT personnel at any of the hotel. Typically, you can see on this heading we have Mr. Dapla hotel account for the year 2020. As the IT personnel, I'm going to see how the amount is calculated, the VAT is calculated, and the income. When we talk of the amount, we are actually talking about the total amount used, and when we are talking about the VAT is the percentage that placed on, or the tax percentage that is placed on the organization. And the income is here. When you want to get your income, you subtract the VAT from the amount to get your income. The first thing that we have to tackle is to first of all calculate the amount. So let's see something here before we start. You can see that because I used the first three rows to capture the heading, that is why this thing has moved to the row number 4. So you realize that all my values are entering from the row number 4. Though I have some numbers here, but I'm going to make good use of the row, not necessarily the column. So let's see. We are saying that for you to get the amount, we have to multiply the cost price by the selling price. Take notes in Excel. When we talk of multiplication, the star is used in place of the multiplication sign. So let's all take note of that. Let's start and see what we have. We want our amount to appear here. We first of all have to press on it, that location, and come to this. We are dealing with the row number 4. Once again, take note of that. We first of all type our equal sign. Every formula in the Excel usually come with the equal sign, so don't forget about that. So, and we are going to start that. The first column number, or the cost price, is under the C column. So we'll be having like C4 like this. I said in multiplication, we are going to make use of the star. We won't press the actual multiplication sign. So we press on the star like this, and then we press on what? D4. And then we press on our enter key. This is what we have. At the beginning, I said we were making good use of the autofill. So let's see how it's done. We have gotten the first value for this. That is when you multiply 70 by 80. This is what you'll be getting. So let's use the autofill, or make good use of the autofill to get the rest of the value. Place your cursor here. Click and drag it down. This is what we have. That is the value for this. When you multiply 65 by 90, you are going to get this, and when you multiply 70 by 80 once again, you are going to get this. Now let's continue. Okay, I just want to make sure that these values are correct, so don't worry for the silence. So let's come to the VAT column. The VAT here is the 6% that is being used. I said for us to get the VAT, we are going to multiply that, or find the percentage of that from our amount. Our amount here is what? It is now under the F column, and then the percentage value is what? 6. So we are going to, once again, we press our equal signs, we bring our what? F4 like this. F4 star what? Star 6%. So you make it 6% like this and press on your enter. This is what we have for the first value. Let's once again make good use of the autofill function. We drag it like this, and then all these our values are being generated to us. The next thing is we have to go and work on the income. I said for you to get the income, we subtract the VAT from the amount, and this is these values are the VAT, and then these are the amount. What that means is that when you calculate 6% of this 3,666, this is what we are going to get. So we are actually going to subtract these values from these numbers for us to get our income, and by doing so, which means we are going to subtract this from that, this from this from that. So let's see how it is done. So we want our value to appear here. So we come like this and press our equal sign again. Our amount is still on the F4. We are going to subtract the VAT from it, which is under the G4 column. So let's see how it is done. Once again, F4 like this, minus what? Minus our G4. So we type our G4 here. We finish, we hit on our enter, and this thing has given to us. So let's once again make use of the autofill to get the rest of the value. Here we are. We are going to do some calculation here, or as I said, we are going to check for the sum. The sum here means that we are going to calculate all these things and calculate all these things and calculate all these things, and always put everything under what's under it. So let's see how it is done. So we come here, we want, here is the sum, we want our sum to be here. When we talk of the average, when you sum the whole of this and divide it by the number of items that are here, that will be given the average value. And then the count will be when you number them from 1 to what's the last one, that will be the amount. And then the maximum value, when you check within these things, there's going to be the highest values. For it, the highest value becomes our maximum value in this, and then when you pick any of these things and locate it, you are going to get the minimum value here. So let's see what happened. We first of all start with the sum. I want my value to appear here, so I'll click on this list and come to the formula bar again and type my equal sign. In addition, we have to type the value sum, after which we open curly brackets. Where are we summing from? We are summing from the the C4 to the C18. So that's the range that we are summing from. So C4 column column C18, something like this. Then we close it by another curly bracket. We hit on our enter, and then this is what we have. What that means is that if we sum all this, we are going to get 1,200. So once again, we are making use of the autofill here as usual. So we drag it to this point, and then this is what we have for all the sums. So if you sum this, you will get this. If you sum this, you will get this. If you sum this, you are going to get this. Let's move to the average. So the average, we do the same. We once again press on where we want it to appear, and then we press our equal sign again and type the word average like this. Average on this, average, and we open our curly brackets like this. We are finding the average from C4 to C18 again. So C4 column column C18, and we make it this way. When you finish, you close it and hit on enter. So this is the average. The average is when you sum all this and divide it by the total number, you are going to get it. Make good use of the autofill to get the rest of the value there done for you. So we are going by the count. We want again press here and press the equal sign again. We type count. So count like this. We make count, and we open our brackets again. We put in our C4 column and C18. So let's see what we are going to get. We close it once again and hit on enter. And then it had counted it for us. Let's make it disappear. So you can see that basically when you count from the C4 to C18, we are going to get 15. That's why you can see that 15 appears here. That not that we are summing this, we are counting them like 1, 2, 3. And when you count from C4 to C18, you are going to get 15. So let's go to the maximum value. Take note, when you realize that when I was calculating this, I started, or I always type the sum, the average, the count, but with the maximum and the minimum, we only type the first three letters. We don't type 4. So we once again press our equal sign and type what max. We open our brackets again. We have C4 column what? Column C18. Something like this. C18. We close it mindfully like this and hit on enter. And then the maximum value for this column has been given here. We are making good autofill to get the rest of the numbers down. So the last thing we have to look at is the minimum, which is the same thing. You press on our equal sign and type, I said the first three values, which is mn, and we have to open our curly brackets like this and put in our what? C4 once again, column C18, and we are going to do so. So we once again close it like this and type it, and this is what has been given to us. So we make use of the autofill, and we are going to go. This is what I have as the IT personnel at the Francis Hotel. I hope the video is very interesting and very nice. Continue to follow me. I'll be giving you more on daily basis. Thank you for watching, and then we meet next time. Bye bye.